Everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about the summer fruits. They're extremely delicious and designed by nature in a way that they give you instant energy, especially in this hot sun, and it can relieve you of your tiredness and fatigue. So to begin with, you can have watermelons and muskmelons, which are very juicy and sweet. Do not discard the seeds inside the watermelon and the muskmelon. Do eat them. They are a good source of omega 3 fatty acid, good for your hair and skin, and a lot of other good properties they have. You can also remove the seeds and dry them up, and then maybe use it for garnishing your salads, or preparing a mouth freshener, mukwas, or and things like that. Second good fruit that I'd like to talk about is your white jamun. They're small, tiny, and they are refreshing and very good for diabetics because their glycemic index is on the lower side. Also good to control blood pressure. So yes, do have those white jams instead of your processed jams. And another very good fruit that is available during summers is your jackfruit. Ripe jackfruit tastes extremely sweet, and they are a good source of energy, fiber, and an excellent source of vitamin B, your niacin, folates. So do try and have jackfruit in your preparations. Maybe you can just have the ripe fruit. I just like it like that. But you can also make vegetables and soups and things like that from it. Jackfruit chips. Then another very summer cooling fruit is your ice apples. In the local language, we call it targola or galeli. I mean, these are the names. They're extremely tender with tender flesh and nice, very sweet water inside. Extremely cooling in this heat. Yes, so all your tiredness and fatigue can just disappear once you have this wonderful delicacy prepared by nature. And last but not the least are your mangoes, the king of fruits. It is low in calories, it is rich in vitamin A and fiber, and has loads of antioxidants and can help you boost your immunity. Always remember to consume mangoes in good proportion. Just don't go overboard with it, is all I'd like to say. Do not miss out on this wonderful fruit. Yes, and celebrate this summer season by having all the seasonal varieties that are available. Thank you.